How to set up email forwarding on Hostinger quick and easy. Welcome to this tutorial on setting up email forwarding on Hostinger. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to forward your emails to another email address, making it easy to manage your inbox and keep your emails organized. To start, log in to your Hostinger control panel and navigate to the email section. From there, click on the Email Forwarding tab. You'll see a list of all the email accounts you've created, along with an option to forward emails to another address. To set up email forwarding, simply select the email account you want to forward from and enter the email address you want to forward to in the Forward To field. You can also choose to forward all emails or only select specific emails to forward. Once you've entered the forwarding address, click the Save button to apply the changes. Your emails will now be forwarded to the specified address, and you can manage your inbox with ease. That's it. With these simple steps, you can set up email forwarding on Hostinger and keep your emails organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. And don't forget to like this video if you found it informative.